Today I'm gonna show you how to make wonton. It's gonna be Thai style, which just means more tasty and spicy. So okay, minced pork anywhere you want to buy, and garlic. But to do wonton, we need wonton pastry. This is the way that my mom showed me. Smash it. The soya sauce. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons. Snowing. This pepper. It's quite spicy pepper. Then add a teaspoon of honey or alternatively sugar. This is the first bit. Is marinating minced pork. Now it's time to do the wonton. What thing you never seen when you eat it in the restaurant. This is wonton skin. Take 1 teaspoon. This is a delicate bit, but it's fun and you will enjoy it a lot. Just done. So you can see you can make a lot of wontons and you can keep actually in the Tupperware and put in the freezer and put it in there. While you're waiting wonton to be cooked, let's prepare salad. Small carrots. It's healthy. Spinach. Because I like spicy, I like chili paste, I add 1 spoon. Okay, that much. That's it. And last of the last, and I put just only 1. That's it. Now the wonton is done. I cannot tell you exactly how to make the base flavoring, but you will experience to make your own favorite taste. That's it. It's very easy. It takes no longer than 30 minutes if you prepare and do it all together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and then I will see you next time for the next menu. Bye!